Okay, so today we gathered here as Maraa community residents to take stock of what we've achieved in the last 1 year, where we are as a community and where we want to go. What we usually do is that every year we usually hold an annual get together conference like we've done today with everyone in the community within the sub-location, this being now the Imenti South sub-county. So we always meet to take stock of what we've achieved, and that's why we are here today. Obviously, as we do that, we always invite our leaders, both elected and the leaders from the national government. So as you can see today here, we have everyone in this community, from the old people to the young ones. We've also come up with invitation to our partners. So today we are also privileged to make sure we have the medical team coming to screen our community members. So we are privileged to have invited about 15 partners that joined us today. Also, we have leaders. We have our member of parliament, we have a member of county assembly, and our neighboring member of county assembly, plus all the other officials of this community. The importance is to make sure that we move together as a team, as a community, we support each other, we are able to take stock and count the development that we've taken, because we are all come from this community. And therefore, we are here to make sure that we chart the way forward for development, and then we are able now to come up with deliberations that we can pass over to the leaders. And then we come together and work together as a team. I think as you've seen and as stated, we have this particular function really being organized by the Maraa Sublocation professionals. These are people who are having a bit of income. They're either employed or they're in business. We have a team of 153 that have organized this function that was attended today by almost 2,000 residents. And my call to them is that as you get out there and you start earning something, it's always good to remember the community, to remember where you've come from, to come in and touch one life. Ideally, today was also like kind of mentorship, so that our young people now, who are either in primary or high school or just graduated from university, can be able now to see that there is future. We are who we are today because of the mentorship that we've gotten from some of those that came before us. Now, today we covered all areas of development for the community, from education to trade, agriculture, infrastructure. And I would say that, as I stated earlier, Maraa being in South Imenti constituency, we've come from far. Maraa is development conscious. We have 4 schools. We have a community that is enlightened. As you've heard today, we are not bad off in terms of development, but of course we have a long way to go in terms of connectivity, either being power or being road network. And I would say that yes, we've done well as a community, as leaders, as professionals, but we still have a way to go, and that's why all these leaders have come forward to support us.
I joined Mala community and to celebrate their achievements and look forward on the future projects and other activities. I'm really impressed by the professionals from Mala who have put together all the other professionals, the communities, and the CBOs. I'm convinced that Mala is going to progress very well. And we, as the leaders, both the national leaders and the county leadership, we are committed to make Mala one of the best places in South Imenti and Meru at large. I also take this opportunity to thank the government of Kenya for having awarded a tarmac for Mologa, Kidino, Itungu, and Kanyakine, Kidino, tarmac, because communication is very, very important in this region. My office is committed to give the support, to walk the journey together with the Mala community and South Imenti leadership. My only advice is that the Maraa professionals to continue supporting the younger generation and to educate them, even if it means meeting twice in a year, other than meeting just once. Maraa is a region that has been disadvantaged very much on communication, but focusing on the current leadership and the community proposing various projects to be given attention by the government, we are going to have a new beginning in Maraa.
Expect in future?
The day has been a success, as you can see. Very many members from the community turned up, and we are looking forward, like, to benefiting from both the national and the county government. We are seeking to embrace all the deliberations that we came up with, and we will organize such events. As a young person, I'm looking forward even to the mentorship days and all the promises that have been made. We are looking forward to them being delivered so that it cannot be like a talk show. Like, we need work being done, and we appreciate these initiatives that are started, and we are looking forward to the steps that we keep being made there.
Maybe what is your credit call to the Gen Zs like you when it comes to mentorship, like the professionals have done for you?
Just as we have agreed, I would like to urge the young people, like, to embrace the current leadership in place, to work with them as they deliver whatever they agreed, their manifestos. And we are hoping that they will keep supporting us through other initiatives like the Nyota program. And we have young people who are entrepreneurs. Maybe they didn't qualify for the Nyota program and they have other initiatives that they are running. We would like to request the government to come in place for them. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. My name is Asivohan. I'm Honorable Harun Turanera. I am the area MC. I represent these people here. Today is a privilege to host very many leaders from across this country, working in various parts of this country. But the fact remains that they are part of Maraa community. To me, the day was a good one and a success. And this is because the residents of Maraa have come out clearly to explain what they want to get from the government. And I, as the representative of the people from this area, I've learned a lot because this is purely like a public participation because we have been listening to what they want us to do for them. So for me, this Maraa, if we pick the note that we're picking today, it is a wake-up call to other parts of this constituency. And if this is done, and I'm sure the leaders here, from the MP to me, that is the county government and the national government, because the pressure that we are being given by the community, we need to yield to that. And that is why I'm saying, if we carry out this exercise continuously, it will be very prudent for us to ensure that it is done. And you know, for instance, we as elected members of county assembly representing this area, other areas across my ward, they will come up with such ideas. Then if ideas are shared, automatically you deliver well. So to me, I'm very happy and I'm sure Maraa will be benchmarked across this county because of the leadership styles that have been portrayed very well by the people concerned, especially the elites from Maraa. Because if you look at it this way, the elites from Maraa, they have high openness because they believe in something that is tangible, not words. And I'm sure we are committed to it because we have some other 2 financial years that we are going to cover. I am sure and determined that it will be done and progress and the work will be seen because we are now one county and working together with the area MP. Thank you.